and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making witch's fingers. In my bowl I'm going to beat together butter and sugar. I'm now going to add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and finally I'm going to add in flour and half a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm now going to leave my dough in the fridge for half an hour. I'm going to take my dough and break it up into 45 bits. I'm going to roll them into sausages. I'm going to take the back of my knife and create fingerprints into the top. My fingers have cooled. I'm going to take them one at a time and fill the tip of where the nail will be with some strawberry jam, and then press an almond on top. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.